Good morning, kids. Welcome to St. Vincent Pallotti School, Besa, Nagpur. I hope all of you are fit and fine at home. Today we are going to learn Maths, Chapter 9, Subtraction. Chapter number 3, Part 4, that is Revision. So, let's start. So, students, using subtraction to compare. Now we're going to do subtraction for comparison. Okay. So Toshi has 12 cartoon film CDs. How many cartoon film CDs? 12. Okay. This is Toshi. Who is this? This is Toshi. Okay. This is Toshi. And Tara has 10 cartoon film CDs. This is who? This is Tara. Okay. This is Tara. Now, who has more cartoon film CDs? How many more CDs does she have? So we will match, okay? And we will count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So Toshi has how many CDs? 12. And Tara? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Tara has how many CDs? 10 CDs. Okay. So, who has more CDs? Yes, Toshi. Toshi has more CDs. How many more CDs does she have? Yes. So, for this, we will see. To find out subtract, we have to do subtract 10 from 12. So, this is 12 which is Toshi's CD and this is 10 which is Tara's CD. Now, 2 minus 0 is how much? 2. And 1 minus 1 is 0. So, we have 2 more CDs. Okay. So, who has? Toshi has 2 more CDs than Tara. So, I hope you understood. Now, class 2B planted 92 trees. We are class 2B. So, we planted 92 trees. And class 2C planted 34 trees. Who planted less trees? So how many less trees did they plant? So we will subtract. So 34 is smaller than 92, is less than 92. So 2C planted less C. Who planted less C? 2C. So find out how many less trees 2C planted. Subtract 34 from 92. So we have to see how many less trees did 2C planted. For this we have to do subtraction. So 92 minus 34. So we have to take 110 from 9 because we cannot minus 4 from 2. So which number will come before 9? Yes, 8. So 8 is written here. Now 12 minus 4. So we have to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And cut 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So how much left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we got 8. Now now we have to see 8 minus 3. So how much? So take out 8 fingers. I am drawing lines. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And cut 3. That is minus 3. Subtract 3. 1, 2, 3. How much left? Count on your fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 5. So we got 58 trees less in number. So class 2C planted 58 trees less than class 2B. I hope you understood these sums. Okay. Now students, we have to solve this exercise. Exercise 3.2. The entry ticket to the zoo cost rupees 15 and the entry ticket for a magic show cost rupees 82. Which costs less, the ticket to the zoo or the ticket for the magic show? How much less does it cost? So cost of the ticket for the magic show is how much? Yes, it is 82. So we will write here 82 and the cost of ticket for the zoo is 15. Now we have to take 110 from 8. So 2 will become 12 and we have taken one number before. Yes. Now we have to Draw 12 lines. So we'll draw it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And cut 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How much left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we'll write here 7. And 7 minus 1 is how much? You can do it on your fingers also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Cut 1. How much left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So write here 6. So the ticket for the yes, tell me. The ticket, what is the question? Which costs less? The ticket to the zoo or the ticket for the magic show? How much less does it cost? So the ticket for the zoo cost rupees 67 less. Yes. So 67 rupees were less, and for the ticket for the zoo. Okay. So let's move towards the next sum. So students, let's move towards the next sum, that is Sid baked 12 cookies on Sunday and 14 cookies on Monday. How many more cookies did he bake on Monday? So let's find out. So 14 cookies baked on Monday and 12 cookies baked on Sunday. So let's find out. So 4 minus 2 is how much? See on your fingers. 4 minus 2. 2. Yes, we get 2. And 1 minus 1 is 0. So we got the answer 2. Sid baked 2 more cookies on Monday. Now the next 1, 2 and this is third sum. You have to do it by yourself. Okay, all the 3 sums. So this is your homework. Now students, checking subtraction with addition. Rajiv has a box of 49 crayons and he used 24 crayons from the box to color this butterfly. How many crayons are left in the box? So for this, we will subtract 24 minus 49. So 9 minus 4 we got 5 and 4 minus 2 we got 2. So to check is the answer correct, we will again put the 24 crayons back in the box. And how many crayons are in the box now? So we'll check. So for this we have to do addition. So 25 is our answer. Okay, so we have to take this 25 plus 24. 24 crayons were taken by Rajiv. That 24 we have to take and do the addition. So 5 minus 4 is 9 and 2 minus 2 is 4. So we got the answer 49. That means answer is correct. So the difference is the bigger number minus smaller number, and see the difference here. Okay, plus small number. Okay, we have to plus this small number. Okay, so we'll get the bigger number. So Rajiv has got 49 crayons in the box, so his answer is correct. Now we will move towards the exercise 3.3. Subtract and check the answer by addition. Draw a smiley if your answer is correct. See, 8 minus 1 is 7, 3 minus 1 is 2. Now we'll do addition and we will check. So 7 plus 1 is 8 and 2 plus 3 is 38. That means the answer is correct. So smiley is drawn. So we'll see the next sum. 9 minus 9 is 0 and 3 minus 1 is how much? 3 minus 1 is how much? 2. So we'll write here 2. Now we will write here 2, 20 and we'll take the smaller number 19 and we'll do the addition. So 0 plus 9 is how much? 9, yes. And 2 plus 1 is how much? 3. So we got the answer 39. So we have to draw a smiley here. Okay? We have to draw a smiley here. Yes. Okay. Now we'll again see this next sum. 46 minus 20. So 6 minus 0 is how much? 6 minus 0 is 6 and 4 minus 2 is how much? 2. So we got 26. Now we'll take 26 minus how much? 20. So we do the addition. 6 minus 0 is 6 plus 6 is 6 and 2 plus 2 is 4. So we got the answer 46. So answer is correct. So we'll draw a smiley here. Okay. Yes. Now let's move towards the next sum, that is 58 minus 39. Now we cannot minus 9 from 8. So we have to take a number which comes before 5 and we have to take 110 from 5, that we got 18. Now 18 minus 9 is how much? So we'll draw 18 lines. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and cut 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how much left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we got 9. Now 4 minus 3 is how much? 4 minus 3 is 1. So we'll write here 1. So we got 19. Now we will take here 19 and then we will plus 39. So 9 plus 9 is how much? Count on your fingers. After 9, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Yes, we got 18. So we'll carry 1 and we'll write here 8. Now we will plus 3 plus 1 is how much? 4. 4 plus 1 is how much? 5. So we'll write here 5. So we got the answer 58. That means the answer is correct. So we'll draw a smiley here. Okay. In this way you have to do all these 4 sums. Okay. I hope you will be able to do. So students, here we have completed the revision of page number 46, 47 and we have also done checking subtraction with addition, page number 48 and 49. Okay, I hope you will be able to do. Thank you so much all my lovely students. Stay safe at home till we meet again.